Hi, my name is Chantel C with the AtHome Experience, and thank you for joining me for this Reflexology Minute. Today we're going to talk about reflexology and reproductive health. So we'll be accessing the points in our hands and feet. We're going to be applying pressure in at the base of the wrist, below the thumb, apply pressure in and bend towards that point. That's the uterus and the prostate point. On the outside, same thing, apply pressure in and bend towards that point. That's going to be ovaries and testes. You'll do both sides. Then you're going to create like a bracelet. And you're going to go around your wrist, trying to meet your fingers, and you're just simply going to roll around. Do this for about 10 seconds on each side. You're also going to do it in the feet. So in the feet, the uterus and the prostate are on the inner heel. You could finger or thumb walk. And on the outside is going to be ovaries and testes. Finger walk or thumb walk on the outside. Now, much like the wrist, you're going to have the ankle. So on the top here, for women, you have fallopian tubes. For men, you have vas deferens. And you also have all that lower lymphatic groin area as well. I hope it helps. Until next time.